August 6th, 2024. I got a couple birds in the sky. Look at that. It was just about for feed. They're getting antsy. Those guys, a bunch of them kind of flew up. 3 of them right now. Look at that. Nice, nice. Oh, that one landed in the bushes. He did that the last time too. Not the best thing. Yeah, let's see. I was gonna feed. They're just more getting antsy. But yeah, these guys are well on their way of being trained. I went a little bit over the last video. Look at these guys kind of coming back. I think these guys, that was the first time out. Some of them, first time flying anyway. Look at that. Let's see. Call these guys in then. You know, let's see. It's kind of late. Was that the bird flew in the bush? I thought that was. We're gonna see. We're up to 33. Oh, look at that bird crawled out of the bush. That must have been the one. Hopefully. I got 33. I got back one more today. You get them back and then you let them out. Great. Let's see if I can call them. They're going down there. I don't know if I got any more in the sky, but let's see. Almost look like I'm losing control a little bit. But do we really have control in life? Come on. One of the birds. Oh, that was the one who was in the bush. Okay. I just had 2 in the bush. They're coming back. They're coming back. There we go. Look, I got a freaking cat over here too. Go. Yeah. Cat was right there. Oh my God. Look, they're coming back. Put the first food. This is good though. They're really getting homed in on the place. They can go a little astray and can still kind of get them back. So, look at that. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let me switch my angle of holding. Easier when I got Jace, I guess, to film. There we go. There. There, they're all going in. Let me go grab the next food plate. Look at these guys. I give them all a bath today. Let's see. There's one more food plate. Then hopefully I got all 33. I think so. Yeah, a couple went crash in these bushes. They're probably the first time up, but they got off quite easy. That's good. One on the loft. Oh, 2 out yet. Is that the one just came back today? Kind of looks like. Nice. This guy's gonna come too.